welcome back to my first video on a new channel. Blooper 1. Okay, hi guys. Welcome back. So today no. Hey kids, welcome back. Hey jammers, welcome to my first video, and today we are gonna look at the new update. Artist Dream Bundle, blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Ooh. Oh. In the midst of the rivalry between Sabertooths and Direwolves, another extinct animal has overlooked. Pet doodles have also returned to Chamarly Town. Wait, what? No. That's right. All jammers can now adopt a fairy on Pet Dodo. Enchanted eagles are soaring into the skies. We'll get one soon. Right, I can't find this. Where is it? Yes. Are you being serious? Where is this popsicle new stuff then? Oh yeah, in case any of you don't know Harry Potter, this is Snape. So say hi to Snape. Oh my god, it's got a yellow little musty bit. Let's give it a name. Swaggy Golden. I don't think you can make that, but I'll check. Gotta make it child friendly. Well, duh. Gassy. Yeah, Swaggy Gassy Llama. I thought. Wait, is this where the new stuff is? Are you kidding me? I found it and it was in the diamond shop the whole time, and now I'm really upset. I think I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. Okay, what we are gonna do is check our new. Oh wait, no, we already. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Oh my god, what is that? I just think I've actually made a decent outfit. Same. Gotta keep it child friendly. Oh yes, I like this look. Okay, we're gonna do. Wait, how much is a masterpiece? Oh. Okay, we're gonna dye it. Since when are you never? Right, we've got to dye it. Okay, now let's do some feet.
That's a pretty kawaii look, I would say myself, you know.
Language.
My finger. Oh, my bed just went creak.
I heard it. What is it? What is this masterpiece?
I'm gonna go check out the new pet because I just need to see it, you know.
Okay, it's gonna have yellow chicken. No, wait, it can't.
Make up your mind, Jesus.
No thanks. I'm not Jesus, the one that we sorted out.
Why is it only giving me the option of 2 pairs? Are you having a giggle?
It's because you're an eagle.
Can't believe you've done this.
Dodo's like a non-flying animal. Same. That's me on a daily basis. Child friendly.
Mate, I am child friendly. What do you want?
We need to draw a little belly button.
Did I seriously just whack myself in the face?
Guess you just did.
It really hurt.
You know what? We're gonna do some cool little stripes now.
Oh, now I can actually get a pair.
Oh my god, are you happy?
Yep.
Oh yes, this is gonna have like chicken pox all over.
I'm gonna buy a dodo. Oh, mate, that is ugly. Oh, why would you get a dodo like that?
Cause it's a normal hard nut life. It's a hard nut life for us.
I'm just gonna make my dodo look like my animal, because, yeah.
You know, I'm kind of like in the middle of like making a masterpiece.
That's nice.
And I'm gonna take a picture of it first.
Mate, that dodo's got the beak of a,
Penguin.
never mind.
Do my masterpiece.
That's actually, that's really cute. I like my dodo. Mate, I'm gonna call it Shady.
Slim Shady.
Or the Slim Shady. Please stand
No,
up.
please stand up. Please stand up. This is like...
That's called Shady Guy. Oh my god, that's actually really cute. It matches me. Oh no, you know what? I take it back. I like it.
Yes, it is not inappropriate.
What?
It's not inappropriate, so it should get accepted. I will send it. I will send it over Instagram.
There's nothing wrong with Shady Guy at all. You know?
No, the new masterpiece. It's going when it's done. It's going to be placed next to Bumble Chops.
Oh,
Bumble Chops.
Bumble Chops.
Bumble Chops, come here. I'm gonna just like casually cry. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video. Oh, wait. We need to check the actions. The dance is the same. If you want to see Roblox video, I will do Roblox videos and all that stuff, because I'm a sad little person. But, you know, that's all for this video. We tried to keep it child friendly, but some person didn't. Anyway, guys, that's all. Go follow me on Instagram, which is, I forgot, Mr. Campbell AJ. Peace out, y'all.